Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Translate and picking your source and target languages so the voice matches your video. Once done, choose the TTS voice and press the speaker to preview. This ensures tone and pronunciation are right. Make sure your browser can play audio and either type the text you'll use or enable the microphone if you plan to speak live. These first steps get you producing clean, predictable audio that's ready for capture and insertion into your video timeline. Now capture the TTS output cleanly. Route your browser audio into a recording app or use a virtual audio cable so you record digital audio instead of re-recording with a mic. Play the Google Translate speaker while recording in a DAW or screen recorder at 44, 1 or 48 kHz to preserve quality. Once recorded, trim leading/trailing silence, apply light noise reduction if needed, and normalize levels so the voice sits consistently in your mix. This prevents pops and uneven volume during editing. Import the exported TTS file into your video editor and align it precisely with visuals. Nudge clips frame by frame if lip sync matters. Apply short fades to avoid abrupt starts. Set output codec and bitrate, for example AAC at 320 kbps, then export and review on multiple devices. If you don't hear any TTS during capture, make sure the browser is allowed to play sound and that your system audio routing is set correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.